What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm kind of losing my voice here, so bear with me. We are going to be doing an oil catch can install. I believe I paid like 30 bucks for this. It comes with a full kit. I recommend buying some of the parts that I am gonna get into that with you guys, and so it should be a very should be pretty easy. But so far, this is the kit that I got. It was just off of eBay. It's a type that you could just twist off, and let me see if I can show you guys real quick. And that's about it right here. So there is a little, I guess, circle tube looking thing. It has like a couple holes. I put some of the mesh that came with it, so it looks like the ones that you kind of clean your dishes with, and it should be able to catch whatever debris or oil that this mesh can actually filter through, and should be pretty simple. So I'll show you guys how to do it, and good luck. If you guys can properly see what I'm looking at specifically, but right under this fuel line, if you kind of trace it, and there's like this where my finger's at, right underneath it is where the PVC valve is at. You're gonna want to grab some bean sauce, or oh my god, I forgot how you say in English, but anyways, my bad. You're gonna need these right here, right? And so you're gonna try and remove that little piece. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can look and do this with your finger. Damn, I think it's gonna be better off if you take out the fuel line. Well, you guys are gonna need a rag, you know, just to make it much simpler. Just get a rag, and we're gonna disconnect this fuel line. I believe it's a 12, and let's do that. We have our PVC line disconnected from the actual PVC valve. What we're gonna do next is we're just gonna grab this I guess fuel line or rubber hose that they provided, which is actually a lot better quality than the AutoZone, which is very surprising. You're gonna want to grab this, and then I don't know, kind of like mock it up and see if it fits perfectly fine, so that you can kind of trim it as well. Yeah. One thing I did realize that this eBay manufacturer of the oil catch can did not provide is the fitting that goes from the PVC line that connects it back into the intake manifold to the actual line for the oil catch can. There's no fitting. You need a 2 male double-sided fitting so that you could connect one hose to the other hose. I went to AutoZone. This was like $8.99, so $9 with tax or whatnot. And I got these, and it's very self-explanatory. Like I don't have to show you guys that part. I know it's a do-it-yourself video, but it's very simple. Just connect one line to the other line, put hose clamps. That's it. Once you have done that, you connect it to from that line. You're gonna want to connect it back into where it says outwards or out, whatnot. The PVC line is gonna connect to the in, and then it ventilates through the outwards back into the intake manifold. So basically, it's you're catching whatever debris or oil that you catch. It's very needed on these cars since these cars are direct injected, and majority of the oil decides to lay on the valves and gunk them up. So I wouldn't say it's a fix, but it helps. Let's do that. Well, I just finished, and this is the finished product right here. I try to hide the lines as much as possible, but you can't really, hide it as much. But y'all, for what, 80, 90 bucks invested, I'm not complaining. Our next mod is gonna be capping this off and then putting a little breather into it, and that should be it for today. Just like that, we just installed the oil catch can. We also deleted the hose that goes from the intake and to the valve cover breather. We ended up buying the Spectrum or Spectre, whatever the frick you call that, the Model Zone. Just get it from eBay. It's much cheaper. I was just hesitant with time, so just get that from eBay. AutoZone sells this for, I believe, $8.99 as well. So just get that, and the engine bay looks a lot cleaner. You're not recirculating the oil back into the intake system. So now we deleted this area, my bad, and the catch can. So just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in, and on to the next mod.